Welcome back, guys. Resourceful Marcus back at you here. Thanks for coming back, liking my channel, subscribing, like, comment, share, subscribe. I appreciate it very much. Alright. Review and setup of a Tidal 55. So this is half the size of the other one, and this is going to be going on my 30 gallon. Okay, I'm replacing the Chinesium ones with the ones that are made in Europe. Made in Italy. So far I'm pleased with the 110 one. Tidal 110 I just put on my 125 gallon. Now I'm putting this on a 30 gallon. Alright, so we're getting her unboxed here. We'll get her set up. Alright guys? Alright, so these units again come with mechanical media, which is matrix, Seachem matrix. Okay, it's in a media bag already. I gotta rinse that off in a moment. Again, filter tray comes out. Okay, media tray comes out on these. That's what's beautiful about these units. They give you a filter. There's the filter, okay, the blue filter in there, that piece. Okay, that's in there. Snap that back in. Okay, this little lever here, the little blue lever, you slide that back, and that locks that tray in. Now, I need to add this extension tube on this. Actually, I may just get away with using... Oh, that fell. I might get away with just using the short one again on this, guys. I think so. I don't think I need the longer tube. I'll have to look when I put it in the aquarium, see. Get a look-see whether I think I need to do that or not. Alright, putting that tube on there. And this here, there's a little notches. It clicks in. Alright. I think that's going to be more than enough, guys. I don't think I need to put the longer extension. That'll be, I think, too long. We'll see. I'll figure it out in a moment here. Alright. Here's the little leveling screw thing they give you. Easy peasy here. Lemon squeezy. of this, to be honest with you guys. Not. Maybe, maybe not. There we go. I got it slid in there anyways. I might not need that. I don't know until I actually put it on the aquarium. They give you some kind of, I don't know, it's supposed to be to hold the heater or something. Anyways, I'll do that right now. Okay, so I'm going to have to pause the video again. I apologize. I need to rinse this matrix off. And I will put that in there. And we'll be ready to set this one up on the 30 gallon with the discus in it. This stuff's supposed to really work. I was watching a video on this Seachem matrix, and they say it really works. You can see it's dusty, so I gotta pause the video because I gotta rinse it off, guys. All right, be right back. All right, so I rinsed the media bag off with the matrix in it. Okay, there's a little media bag to give you. It has a little zipper on it. This sits in here, just like that. And I got 2 media bags of carbon that will sit on top of that. Okay, so I'm going to pause the video again because I got to get set up to go sit this on the 30 gallon, alright? So I'll bring you back in a moment, guys. Let me get set up, alright? I'm going to pause the video. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I got the filter unit here on the 30 gallon now for the discus. Sorry I had to pause the video, but I'm back, alright? So this is the Tidal55. I'm going to plug her in here. Let me get the cord untangled here. To give you a nice long cord with these units, I like that. That's an extra bonus, because typically these units, they don't really come with too long of a cord, which is pathetic. That's with the Chinesium ones. Anyways, we're going to plug this in here, guys. We're going to give her a whirl, and hopefully she self-primes, and we'll be on our way. Alright. Bear with me, okay? Thank you. Alright, self-priming. She's priming. And very strong. There we go. Flowing nice. Show you the flow there. Look at that beautiful flow. Got to put a little water in this aquarium. So the matrix is in there, and then I got 2 bags of carbon in here, okay? There we go. Now I'm just going to put the lid on. Let me step away for a moment. Thank you. And there's one other thing I want to mention here, guys. These units, there's a little silver label on your cord. Okay, there's the lid. There's a little it's trying to tell me that I need to change the filter, which is not true. That's because I got this carbon in here. And these bags are really fluttering, floating. Anyways, that's the cover on there. Now, there's a silver label on the cord with this unit, okay? On the cord that it plugs in. And you got to take the little, when you go to the Seachem website, I would like to get this cord in here. They put a little slot in here where it's supposed to hold the cord. Anyways, remember to fill out all the information on the Seachem website and register your filters. These filters have a 5-year warranty. Register, register, register. Silver label on the cord, the little cord that you plug it in. Get your little serial number off there, put that in. You got to show them your little receipt of when you purchased it, and then it'll be warranted. I got to register both these now, the one for the 125 and the one on the 30. I also got one to go on my 20, and eventually I'm probably going to put one on my Pentagon. Alright guys, hopefully you liked the video. Resourceful Marcus review of the Tidal 55 and setup. Pretty easy peasy. They self-prime, beautiful. Nice quiet running units, wonderful. Not Chinesium, made in Italy, made in Europe, good quality. Just try to stay away from the Chinesium stuff, guys. Alright, thanks for watching my video. As you can see, the flow coming out here on this unit. She's really flowing. Very nice. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I appreciate it very much. It helps my channel very much. I will see you again soon. Thanks for watching.